The Nightcat pop-up mosquito tent snaps into shape in just a few seconds. So setting up a solo shelter at camp or in the backyard feels almost effortless. Its fine mesh walls let plenty of air move through, while forming a reliable barrier against mosquitoes and other small insects, making warm summer nights much more comfortable. A waterproof floor allows you to place the tent directly on damp ground or pair it with a compatible camping cot to create a raised sleeping space that stays clean and dry. The interior length and height are generous for one adult, giving enough room to stretch out with a sleeping pad and still avoid that cramped, coffin-like feeling. When it is time to pack up, the tent folds into a compact, flat circle that is noticeably smaller than many other pop-up designs, which makes storage and transport far easier. Its very lightweight and simple hand strap mean you can clip or tuck the folded tent onto a backpack or beach bag without feeling weighed down on the way to your campsite or picnic spot.